got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. I know y'all remember this shirt. Welcome back to another video. So on today's video, man, as you guys can see, we have been going with this trend of mystery boxes on my channel, man. If you're new to it, go ahead and just like up this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, man. Trying to hit it by the end of this month. Without further ado, man, this is the third mystery box on the channel. We went from a $50 Hype versus Hype drop mystery box that's linked up right here, and then after that we did a $100 laced up mystery box, and now we have reached the $200 laced up mystery box, man. And this was an item that I got from the first one, my first bait tee. I'm messing with it, and I'm gonna just take y'all back to whenever I went ahead and I purchased these boxes. $300 worth of mystery boxes. I'm about to split this up into 2 videos. This is going to be like a throwback for you guys. So we're going to be buying a $100 laced up box, and we're going to be buying a $200 laced up box. And as you guys can see on the screen, we are on the website right now. It's on the Hypebeast mysterybox.com. This is their home page. Basically, like, if y'all don't know about laced up, they have various types of like mystery boxes. As of right now, they just have like their regular mystery boxes and their streetwear mystery boxes. So I'm just gonna get the regular ones. I'm probably gonna get a lot of vape items, but we're about to go see how it's going to go. So we're hit shop, hit view all. And look, as we can see right now, they got a $79 mystery box, $100, $200, $300. And as you go up, that's like the level of the mystery box. And this is like my entryway into the mystery box game. So hopefully we can work our way up. Hopefully like the $1,000 box, but let's go ahead and let's go to the next one. Here. And alright, so this is the level 2 box, and let's see what it holds. Large as well. Alright, so the Bape level 2 mystery box, it contains a mystery selection of a brand new Bape clothing items, basically meaning more than one and accessories. Alright. Let's get it. That's what I crossed it. As you guys can see, that's $300 to mystery boxes right now. Alright, I'm gonna put in all my information, but let's get back to the video. Alright, so we are back. Y'all saw everything's legit. Video's not sponsored. I just went ahead and I purchased it because I really wanted to see if you can actually like get your value with these boxes, and are they actually going to give you some good items. So let's get this box started, but I don't know where it is. Oh shoot, I don't even know where it came from, bro. But anyway, as you can see, guys, this is the $200 box, but I'm gonna let y'all get a sneak peek before me. Alright, we got some heat up in there. I'm hoping. Let's go ahead and get this one started. As always, man, they always come with these nice little bags. I give them a lot of props and credit because they actually put a lot of time into like their packaging. They make it very unique, and overall, it's really just a whole experience, man. Looks like we got teas today. $200, man. I better get my money's worth. Whew. Alright, as of right now, I think I feel a keychain, bro. I'm not gonna look. Let me go ahead and put this over there. Let's go. What? This is dope. This is dope. I'm gonna put it full screen so you guys can see. It is a Baiting Ape men's online keychain, and it's sealed tight. Like, this is actually live. I definitely am messing with this. I really wanted for accessories, man. I really wanted to get a keychain just because of the fact, bro, I want cool little unique things, you know. Whenever I got my keys and stuff, I just like different type of stuff. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep that. Now let's go ahead and see if they got us right with some shirts, man. Ooh, some slight. Okay, bruh, they gotta be kidding me. Don't tell me I got the same shirt in a different color. I got the same shirt in a different color. I mean, hey, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really not tripping too much. But at the same time, bro, I am kind of salty. Let's put it full screen. It's literally the same shirt, just a different color. I got the red version and I got the blue. But I mean, for the first two babe shirts, I still like it though. You know what I mean? Like I'm not hating. I just wish they would add a little bit more variety, like different versions. So we already know that this shirt is basically going for like 109, 110. Nothing too special. And from the looks of it, I think we have one more accessory in here. Actually, I don't know. Nope, this is the last item. It's another babe tee. What is this? Don't tell me. This is the ABC Camo box tee. Box tee. I mean, they gave me all, but ooh. All right, we can mess with this one. I'll put it in this full screen. All right, so as you guys can see on the front, it just says bake, very simple, clean. But when you get to the bag, baby, oh, this tough. This tough. All right, this one's tough. This one's tough. All right. I'll mess with this one. This that subtle flex. Like, I can't lie. This like, all right, you know what I'm saying? I'm just walking around, you know, regular shirt. But then when we get to the back, we talking. We talking big time, you know what I'm saying? But okay. They saved the best for last. Even though they gave me two of the same shirts, and even though every one of my shirts is in black, I don't mind. Cause this one really just made up for it. But as of right now, I don't know how much this one goes for. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring up all the prices so you guys will know. Let me just check and make sure ain't nothing left. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I calculated everything. Y'all about to be shocked with the prices that I'm about to tell you guys. Okay, so the keychain, as of right now on StockX, the last sale was $19, but we're just gonna round that up and it's called like even 20. As for the box tee with the, you know, the purple and the pink in the back, that shirt, I could not find an exact price for large, but for like XL, double XL, and like medium, the price varied between like 110 to like 130. So we're just gonna go ahead and just keep it at this 110. I feel like that's a good, even, fair rate. Even though that shirt is like the hardest one out of all three, it's a decent price. Now, this is what I don't understand, okay? On StockX, for the blue babe tee, the same tee that I'm wearing now, but just blue, the last few sales on it was going for about $158 to $160. Tell me why the blue tee is going for almost 50 or like, yeah, almost $50 more than this one. Because for me, I ain't gonna lie to you guys, like, red is my favorite color. So in my head, I'm like, this shirt is the hardest shirt, but that one is going for $160. That shirt alone, brand new, size large, is going for $160. So that brings a total for this $200 mystery box. If I were to sell all of these items, we'll be at a whopping total of $290, basically meaning that this box in itself is almost a 50% profit. And as of right now, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I cannot say anything negative about Lacedup, from their packaging to the quality to the experience, like everything about it as of right now. I do not see why you guys wouldn't go ahead and do it. And again, this video is not sponsored. These are just my honest and truthful opinions. I purchased two mystery boxes from them, the $100 mystery box and the $200 one, and basically a grand total, like I basically profited. I made way more than my money. I probably made like 50% more back. But anyways, if you guys enjoy this type of content, go ahead, like up this video. Let me know which box was your favorite so far. $100, the $200, or even that $50 box, man. Make sure y'all watch all of the videos. Subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that's 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.